in the heart of the city, where chaos and harmony walk side by side, where every shadow hides a secret. You hear the noise. You smell the spices, and you see that everything is alive. Every corner holds a story, even the quiet ones, waiting to be heard. If you listen closely, you might just hear the whisper of magic. Because here, even the ordinary can sparkle. This is more than a scene. To a story you haven't heard yet, but you will.